Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The longer an ear of corn sits, the more its natural sugars turn to starch, which means you lose a lot of that sweet, fresh taste. If you don't cook your fresh-picked corn within a day or so, consider freezing corn, either on the cob or cut. That way you can enjoy the taste of summer even in the cold winter months.
Take our lead.
If you were wondering if you can freeze corn without blanching, the answer is yes. Pro tip: when freezing corn kernels, make sure you allow enough space for the kernels to breathe. We recommend freezing corn kernels in a single layer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.